Hey there, welcome back to Bishop's Garage. We're going to be working on our 58 Plymouth Suburban today. Amongst some of the other things that I want to work on here is kind of looking under the dash, see what we have for wiring, see what can be fixed, see what isn't working, try to lubricate things, get them all back up and working again. The other day I was actually able to put some power onto our car after I replaced our voltage regulator, some starter stuff. We got some actual wires with proper coloring here. And I was able to put some power to our car. We have parking lights, that's it. One of the other things that I did was I put a new set of keys in here so you can actually switch it to accessory or to start. So on accessory, I went ahead and turned the radio on, just because. And it did come on, at least the lights came on the radio. No sound, nothing from the rest of the radio. So I think today, let's go ahead and work on taking the radio out of the car. And see if we can't get that thing to work. All right, let's get to it. Show me. Well, hey there. This is the radio for our 58 Suburban. Nothing terribly special. AM, FM. It looks like it's held in with 4 Phillips screws. This is our ashtray, cigarette lighter. We have fan. This is the adjuster for defrost and heat. That'll be entertaining. Well, I guess this is kind of turning into let's talk about the dash. Okay, so we have our clock adjuster. This is an option. So we have our clock up here. We have a temperature gauge. We have the 120 mile per hour speedometer. We have 28,000 miles, probably 128, not 228. Everything in here is not, it's not bad looking. If you look at like the condition of the metal that's in here along the dash bits, along the sides that are going up, it is not really in super bad shape. It just needs to be cleaned and polished, and the dash pad itself is not bad. It's only kind of shrunk a little bit right there where you can see it here in this spot. There is supposed to be a speaker up here. Not really sure. There's our rear view mirror. That's often missing on these cars. So is the radio. Those are often missing. We have our washer. This is a switch or wipers. This here, switch for wipers, 2-speed. And then underneath on the floor over here is a foot pedal that you can push next to the brake that makes the squirters work. And here you can see I've already taken the light switch out. That's in a previous episode. And I'm going to take this apart. Well, unplug it, and then I will send it off to Oregon to get it, have it rebuilt. This is our switch that is back window up and down. Our turn signals, which when I turned the car on to run, they weren't working. So more stuff to look at in the wiring. Over here we have our glove box kind of conspicuously off to the side. There's just a blank spot right here. And all right, let's get to pulling the radio out of here. I think it's actually slotted, not a Phillips. What do you know? And yeah, this other one's missing. Yeah, from talking to a few other owners, they often said that these radios are missing. Boy, that's even got a different thread count on that thing. Okay. I'm guessing that on the back of the radio, it's got a 7/16 or something that is bolted somewhere as a support. We'll have to go find it. Don't know if you can see that Mopar model 854 radio. It looks like, well, maybe this is the power. And look at that. So somebody has been in here at some point, because that's not 1958. All right, let's go look at this inside. Or, what might be fun, let me grab you and show you what the spot looks like where it came out of. All right. So, there's the speaker. See if we can't see and read what it says on the back there. Realistic? Oh God. Made in Taiwan. That's a 6x6? Heck, I don't know. Wow, so Radio Shack's been in here. Huh. Well, we can always pull the speaker out too. Let's do that and see if it works with the speaker. So as I'm taking this apart, I'm suspecting this car has had two lives. The original one it had when it was bought, and then somebody kind of, well, didn't do a restoration, but they just kind of repainted some things, cleaned it up, and drove it around for a few more years. So maybe the second owner did that and gave the car a little bit more life for a while. That's what I'm thinking. Well, that's just not coming out of there. Okay, well, let's look at this. Well, it could be. You know, looking at this old speaker, although it does say made in Taiwan, and it says realistic on it. And the way this is built, it's built to take a left and a right channel and make it a mono. We have a radio. We have our Radio Shack Taiwan speaker here. Let's take these inside, see what we can get out of them. Off, on. So you can kind of see that. Off, on. So the light does turn on. Alright, so I have this antenna I was going to use on my bus. So I'll just temporarily hook it up here. Well, we're getting a buzzing. Okay, well, there's our radio. Yeah, it's not working. There is a guy that I found on the web who can do these radio rebuilds, returning it to the original AM, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And source a speaker as well. Not out of Taiwan, not out of Radio Shack. Well, yeah, we'll see where they come from. Thanks for coming by. See you next time.